Have you ever heard of a slaughter? I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up in one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, International King, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Good evening, everyone. This is going to be a short Rose and Gold because we're going to only mention one topic, but we want to send out our condolences and our prayers and blessings to the Scottie Pippen family and friends. Scottie, a fantastic, phenomenal basketball player. We're sorry to hear about the loss of your son, and we want to say that nothing I can say can really mend what, the understanding of what just happened, but we want to say that our condolences and our prayers are going out, and this is going to be a short Rose and Gold, so close it off, IK.
To the Scottie Pippen family, our hearts and prayers go out to you, and we just want to express that truly. But other than that, this was our only and final hot topic for today, but we're out.